The team fly the BA System Hawk Mk65 Alpha aircraft. This aircraft has a Rolls-Royce Adore engine that pursued 5,700 pounds of thrust. This makes this aircraft very maneuverable, allowing it to pull up to 8 Gs. Most of today's shows, however, is flown around 3 to 5 Gs and speed of 650 kilometers. As Saudi 1, the team leader, turn left, the team now moving to a typhoon shape, and they'll be coming again from your right in a typhoon bend. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the Saudi Hawks for the typhoon bends. This year is Lieutenant Colonel Timimi. He flies at the front of the 7 aircraft and uses radio to command them to maneuver to the formation, allowing the team safely to change from one formation shape to another. Before joining the team, he flew the F-15 Strike Eagle fighter jet. And as we see, as the team commander Sari 1 continue to bend right, the team now move to a tango bend again. And after that, as the team roll out, they will change shape to a shield, preparing for the next maneuver. From your right, here is again the Saudi Hawks.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind.
Today's show will not be the same without the colored smoke that the aircraft carry. The smoke buds is attached to the underside. This speed reduction requires a very small and smooth input. And we can listen to the radio again.
Wel, in ieder geval heel belangrijk nu, dames en heren. Uiteindelijk, het team heeft hiervoor in het Book of World Records gekomen, aangezien zij het enige team zijn die hun eigen embleem kunnen beschrijven in de lucht. Het is een palmboom met 2 zwaarden. Hier gaan ze.
I hope you managed to take a good picture. Now in front of you, the team will split into 2 sections. The 2 aircraft have just flowing the sword are the syncro pair. These 2 aircraft are responsible for all the high G's maneuvers. They are back for the Dragon to slingshot. The team is based at King Faisal Airbase in Tabuk, province of Saudi Arabia. In addition to the team members, all frontline fast jet pilots go through their advanced hawk course training in that city. We are also very lucky in Tabuk to have a great weather for over 300. As the front section, here's the Sorry Hawks back again for the nut spray. And here's the Sorry Hawks. Ladies and gentlemen, again from the crowd. Wow, that's great. And they'll be back again to execute the 360 ring.
Het is wel, volle vuur noemt ze de python, dus de slang uiteindelijk. Dus elk figuur door deze teams krijgt dus een...
The snake.
Absolutely.
So ladies and gentlemen, again from the right and left, we'll see Saudi 6 and 7. Next one will be
Of zeggen, door de tunnel vliegen die gemaakt wordt door de andere, zijn 5 collega's.
So now look to your left as the Saudi 6 carry out a